What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better, bro. Take this good ass energy, enjoy. Finna dive right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. All the sounds that I'm using are in the link in the description, as well as this team from FL Studio that I'm using. So pick up something crazy. I low-key fuck with this though. Let me just render that out and see what we can make with this. Lately, I've just been like going for some like unique sounding melodies, just something different. Okay, we're on a roll, bro. I'm feeling this. I'm also using a scale right here. All right, let's open up another instance of Analog Lab. Just copy over the same chords, paste it onto the ARP, and then just like scroll through the sounds. This could be like some for like the verse or bridge or something, just to like switch it up. So I'm gonna keep that for later. What we are going to do now is drag up the mix from the reverb, add kickstart to it. It's first the reverb going inside of the kickstart. It needs like some kind of like chords or like keys or pads to like give the melody a little bit more harmony. That's the word I'm looking for. We're going to use two 808s, by the way. I got this one, the gunna 808, and then it's like a wide Z 808. I want to like try and flip this because like it sounds fire, but it just doesn't fit in the beat. Maybe stretch it. This might work. I just add some halftime to this. Turn that bitch up. I want to like make it a little bit stutter. Dun, 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 dun. That's cool. It needs to move with the hi-hat, so the hi-hat needs to stop right there as well. Dun, 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 dun. We'll just use that part for like a switch up inside of the beat. I think it sounds super fire and I don't want to get rid of it. It's too fire. Shit. Yeah. So many things. I was only dancing. Shit. Woo. Oh my days, I'm getting too gassed up, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. And then right here, the switch up. Shit. Get ready. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's fire, bro. That's fire. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. Would appreciate that. Also, I'm active there. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.